First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
We've got a warmer but windier morning for us here in southern Kentucky, and some of you are picking up on some light rain showers. Now, this is not the big event that's going to bring us a good round of rain late tonight, early tomorrow, and then again Friday night into Saturday morning. But this is just a sign that we're getting a little bit more moisture now working into the region. Here's a look at radar as we run the animation here over the last hour. You can see the scattered showers moving through. Not everybody's getting rain, and not everything you're seeing on radar is hitting the ground. But as you travel off to work or off to school this morning, you may find just a brief little shower passing through, and then this is going to taper off for a while, and then the winds will continue to pick up. In fact, it is going to be a rather windy day. We can look back at the last 12 hours and show you the winds and how they behaved at the Bowling Green Airport. 7 o'clock last evening, a fairly light wind, 3 to 5 miles per hour, and then it became calm during the overnight hours. But look what's happened since about 1 o'clock this morning. The winds have been on a steady incline here. In fact, the winds coming in sustained at around 10 miles per hour at the top of the hour. Occasionally, we're getting some wind gusts of, say, 15 to 20 miles per hour. In fact, from the Mesonet sites, we've got a 12-mile-per-hour wind gust out of the southeast at the Bowling Green site. You get a 14-mile-per-hour wind up in Hartford, 16-mile-per-hour wind in Calhoun. Now the wind starting to get into the 20s, a 25-mile-per-hour wind gust just within the last few minutes at the Mesonet site there near Madisonville in Hopkins County. So the winds today, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Just keep that in mind. But they will be warm winds, and certainly that's good news as we're going to see moderating temperatures. We're almost to the point to where we were for a high temperature yesterday. 43 here in Bowling Green. We had a high of 46. Officially yesterday afternoon, so we are going to well surpass the temperatures that we had around here yesterday. Here is a live view from the AAA Systems weather cam at the Sleep Inn. This is exit 22 off of I-65 and Scottsville Road here in Bowling Green. We've been noticing a couple of little raindrops hitting the camera lens here, so there's a little bit of light rain or just sprinkles just hanging around this morning. 44, the current temperature reading. A little bit of a wind chill. Feels like it's 39 now that the winds have picked up from the south-southeast at around 8 miles per hour. Pollen count, well, it's running in the moderately high category today. In fact, probably into the high category, even though it doesn't indicate it here. It's tree pollen. Ozone and molds are in the good category. UV index will be running a little bit lower today thanks to the cloud cover that we'll be experiencing throughout the day. Juniper, maple, pine, those are the three main culprits of tree pollen that you'll be experiencing today. And if you're having the sinusitis, you know exactly why. 60 today for Greenville, Central City, Powderly, all over in Muhlenberg County. That's our predicted high temperature for you today. 61 for Elkton, Todd County, 60 for Russellville, 59 for Morgantown, Butler County, all around the Lake Malone area. By the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot now at an estimated $50 million for Saturday night's drawing. Mega Millions next drawing estimated to be at $15 million. Here's a few of our AAA Systems weather cams. We go to Litchfield. You're at 42 degrees up in Grayson County this morning. Here's the Duck Center at Western's campus, 43 degrees there. Russellville is at 44 in Logan County with a few sprinkles and light rain showers coming through. And Munfordville, you're at 40 degrees right now. Radar showing that little band of light rain, not everything reaching the ground as dew points or the amount of moisture in the air is quite low near the ground. So we pick up a lot of radar echoes, but not everything is reaching the ground yet. 43 at the Bowling Green Airport, and the temperature is going to continue on an uphill swing here. 52 already in Memphis. We are 20 degrees warmer than we were at this hour just yesterday morning, and it's because high pressure is moving east. More of a southerly wind flow today. Scattered showers, not a whole lot of activity today until we get into tonight and early tomorrow morning. Some thunderstorms even coming through, but we've taken out the risk for severe weather for now. It looks like that's not going to happen. There's going to be enough canopy of clouds to cut down on instability. That front's going to park here, and as a ripple of low pressure rides along the front, we'll get yet another surge of shower activity late Friday night into Saturday morning before this thing clears out of the area. Windy and warm today, isolated showers, and by the way, a high fire danger today too, with a high of 60. For tonight, down to 53, chance of showers and thunderstorms late tonight into early Friday morning. Then we'll taper things off as far as the showers. We'll see a high of 68, a return to thunderstorms Friday night into Saturday morning, then clearing, cooler 59. But then we bounce back through the 60s and 70s for the end of the weekend and through the middle of next week.